All right, Mr. Bishop, we're going to talk about week 3, activity 1. So, um, you'll find this in classwork under assignments. And we're going to call this activity How Germs Spread. Now, it's really important with this activity that you clean up after yourselves. Because if I did this experiment in my apartment, my wife might ground me if I didn't clean up after doing it. So, in respect for your parents, guardians' homes, please make sure you clean up after you do this experiment. So this activity is designed to give us a model of how far germs spread. So our skin is covered with germs, as we've learned in the videos, and we can simulate this to explore how far and easily germs are able to spread. So your task is to cover your hands or your shoes with something like flour is probably something available in your house. Cornstarch might work well. Please don't do, no dirt. Pepper, don't do pepper. Glitter, don't do, I guess you could, but glitter will get everywhere, and it's bad for the environment. Flour is probably the best one here. Flour or cornstarch will work well for this. So cover your hands or shoes with flour or cornstarch, let's say, and set a timer for 10 minutes and walk around your house doing the normal things you would normally do in your house. At the end of the 10 minutes, make observations how far the stuff on your hands has gone. How many other surfaces did it get on? How many rooms did it spread into? Now, imagine how far it would spread if you had been allowed to leave your house and socially interact with more than just the people and surroundings you live with. Again, make sure you clean up this mess after 10 minutes for many reasons, especially so Mr. Bishop doesn't get emails about his students antiquing his parents' houses. Then repeat this process, but this time after you cover your hands with the same stuff, go directly to the sink and wash them for at least 20 seconds. Now set that 10-minute timer and go around your house and do the same things and see how far the germs spread this time. So make sure after you do that first trial that you take some photos of where your germs spread to, or if you want to draw a map of your house and document where they spread to in your house, go ahead and do that. And then take a photo of that and post that photo of either your germ trail or your map here on this assignment. So, respond to the prompts. How does the amount of spread differ between the two trials? Trial 1, when you didn't wash your hands, and trial 2, when you did. Why is hand washing so vital after what you observe? And what other ways are you contributing to slow this outbreak and hopefully future outbreaks? So think about some of the other stuff we've learned about that helps deter the spread of germs. And that will be activity 3. And then you can go to week 3, activity 1, sorry. You can go to the discussion board. And again, this is one where you should all have access. If you click on it and click this arrow, it should pop open in another tab. And with this discussion board, let's see if any of you have posted to it so far. I haven't gotten to this discussion board. but it'll take a little bit to load up. Again, please make sure you clean up after yourselves with this experiment. Do not leave a mess in your parents' home. So, post a picture of your germ spread, whether it's your map or where the germs spread when if you take photos. Explain how the trail of germs differed between the two trials, and post one fun fact from your video notes. Make sure your response is unique. Don't copy paste other students' work. Choose a legible font color other than black, and put your first and last name in the first column. This will count for week 3, activity 1, and let's see how the experiments go.